Warning: avoid doing these 4 things while consuming apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has its many advantages. However, it should be consumed properly because not doing so could be harmful to your health. 1. Not adding water to dilute it. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic. It must always be diluted with warm or cold water before consumption. 2. Taking it in excessive quantities. Don't start consuming it too frequently. It may be harmful for your body. It has a number of negative effects, including the possibility of burning. Start by consuming a modest amount. Don't consume more than 2 tablespoons each day, and only after diluting it. If you get a burning feeling or an upset stomach, dilute it more or reduce the amount of apple cider vinegar. If you have these symptoms, always consult your doctor for advice. 3. Brushing your teeth immediately after using apple cider vinegar. After eating apple cider vinegar, brushing your teeth too soon can damage your tooth enamel. Tooth decay and cavities may result from this. So, after taking apple cider vinegar, be sure to wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. 4. Drinking it immediately following a meal. You could believe that consuming apple cider vinegar after meals can help you lose weight. However, this is not at all healthy and may even slow down your digestion. The health advantages of drinking apple cider vinegar on an empty stomach are maximized, and digestion is improved. Wait at least 20 minutes before drinking it if you want to do so after eating. Have you had a good or bad experience with apple cider vinegar? Let us know in the comments. If you want more information, read the description down below or watch this next video.